So I thought for this video I would make some peanut butter balls. Jackson felt like them the other day, so I grabbed a recipe off his auntie because he grew up eating them and loved them, so I thought I'd make them myself. And they are super easy, super delicious, and dangerous because you want to eat all of them at once. So there's not many ingredients at all, and it's super simple to make. So all you will need is some peanut butter, some normal butter, icing sugar, rice bubbles, and chocolate melts. I'll write the recipe in the description box below, and I'll include all the measurements that you'll need. So yeah, like I said, these are super easy to make and they're super delicious. Quite dangerous actually, because you'll want to eat all of them at once, which the last lot I made did not last very long in our fridge. So I made them a little bit bigger this time, but this is what they look like, and they're super yum. Just a big ball of peanut butter goodness. So it's kind of like a crispy picnic bar, essentially, because you need the rice bubbles to make it crispy, which I think they completely make it. But yeah, so I whipped up a little video showing you how to make these, and yeah, super simple. Let me know how you go. So good, so crispy and so crunchy and salty, peanutty, so good. So you'll have to make them yourself and let me know how you go. If you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.